Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Stripe Atlas, which is a business formation service that is designed for the entrepreneurs who are looking to incorporate a US company from anywhere in the world. But before we begin, make sure you check out the link in the description to explore Stripe Atlas and see if it is the right choice for your business. So what is Stripe Atlas? So Stripe Atlas is a startup friendly business formation service that helps entrepreneurs register a US based company, get a US bank account and access Stripe payments with ease. It is designed for international founders, remote businesses and startups who are looking to enter into the US market. So here you can see that the interface is quite easy to use and it is quick and simple to incorporate. You can set it up a US LLC and C Corp in Delaware within a few days. You get access to the US banking payments, so you can open a US business bank account and use Stripe as a payment method. It will also provide you the legal and the taxation guides. So it comes with templates for contracts, tax forms and compliance helps. It is also trusted by various startups, so it is used by thousands of businesses worldwide. So it has a good credibility online. If I talk about the cons, so the only con that I found with Stripe Atlas is that you will have to pay one-time setup fees, and the upfront cost is also might be very big for you. Like you will have to pay $500 upfront plus some of the additional state filling fees as well. You will also get some limited customization options. So primarily the design for the Delaware based incorporation, so you will get some limitations in the customization, but for entrepreneurs and the startups who are looking to register a US company quickly and access Stripe's global payment, Stripe Atlas is an excellent choice for those. It simplifies the legal and the financial setup, making it one of the best choices for international business owners. So if you want to check it out, you can just use the discount link in the description and you can launch a US company with Stripe Atlas today. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.